Okay, Brooklyn. I still got the hiccups. Oh my god, I still have the hiccups. Okay. Oh, that was a good boo. Maybe if you scare them away, they'll go away. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, that was a good one. Maybe it worked. Let's see. Nope. It didn't work. Oh, you did scare me that time. That may have worked. Oh, no. It didn't work. Shoot. Oh, gosh. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, wow. You're really scary. Oh, crap. I hate hiccups. Oh, gosh. Holy cow. You're scary. Oh, man. Your boo is so scary. Oh, man. Your boo is good, Brooklyn. Oh, those hiccups are bad for me, Brooklyn. Give me a good one. Oh! I think maybe they work. Oh, no. Whoa! That was a good boo. Oh, nope. Didn't work. Maybe if you lift your hands up really good and say it. Say it loud and lift your hands up while you say it. Oh. Oh. That was pretty good, Brooklyn. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Man, you're saying it so loud you make yourself cough. Uh-oh, I haven't had a hiccup in a while, Brooklyn. I think you got rid of them. Brooklyn, I haven't hiccuped in a little bit. You scared them away. Yay, you did it. You made Mommy's hiccups go away. Say yay. Yay, your boo scared Mommy's hiccups. Uh-oh. Say boo. If anybody has the hiccups, just give Brooklyn a call. She'll make them go away by saying boo. Good job, Brooklyn.